So this is our first art day. This is what Kiri is copying. This is her picture so far. And this is what Elijah decided to copy. And this is that guy. There is the other one. See, that's that one. And
Mom, I'm done.
this is a girl that Savvy decided to copy. This is what she drew. She actually drew the hair, and then I did the little face thing because she got discouraged and wanted to give up, and then she drew this part right here, and she colored it all in.